Hey there, fellow campers, and welcome to our review of Onverwags Caravan Park, tucked away near Brits in the Northwest Province. If you're coming from Pretoria or Joburg on the N4, you've got two options. Take the R566 off-ramp to skip the second toll road, but do be prepared for busy roads and some potholes. Or you can go via the R511 off-ramp. Now, it's a little bit longer and there is a toll, but the drive is generally a lot smoother. Once you reach the turnoff, it's 5 kilometer stretch of gravel road. Its condition depends entirely on the rain and the traffic, but the owner does try and keep it as smooth as possible by dragging it regularly. At the entrance, just punch in the gate code and you're in. From here, the single-lane gravel road is in good shape. We drove it in November 2025 after some very heavy rains, and it was very easy to drive. Now, the campsites vary in both size and amounts of shade, from plenty of trees to more open spots, but all are on well-maintained grass. Bring a grass-friendly ground sheet and some leveling blocks to make your life more comfortable. This campsite is accessible and suitable for all types of camping. The new owner is developing the park still, so do expect some fresh camping areas if you've been here before and sites with paved areas. All sites have access to electricity. The older sections have the blue caravan type plug, while the newer sections have a standard 3-pin plug. Portable braais are provided and dustbins are scattered throughout. Water points are limited and spread out, so if you need a dedicated supply, a splitter with 4 nozzles is a smart idea. There are scullery areas dotted all around throughout the campsite. The ablutions are a mix of old and new. Some blocks have traditional toilet showers and bath cubicles, while newer family bathrooms are all-in-ones, a spacious room with a shower, a hand basin and a toilet. 3 of the sites offer private ablutions, 2 with showers and 1 with a large corner bath. These private bathrooms offer double sinks for dishes, a shower or bath and a separate toilet. There is also a disabled-friendly bathroom with wheelchair access. A kiosk offers light meals with indoor and outdoor seating, and a small shop stocks the basics. There are plenty of activities: a heated indoor pool, several outdoor pools, a couple of small water slides, a climbing wall, paddle courts and jumping castles. If you want to get a bit more adventurous, you can explore in the game area on foot, by walking or by running, or hire an e-bike and go for a spin. Giraffe, zebra, hartebeest and other antelope roam freely, while birdlife was prolific. Now, the property is fairly small, but it has a charming pond for catch and release fishing or for a relaxing picnic. Internet access was a bit hit or miss. Sometimes smooth streaming, sometimes even email seemed to take a while to get through. Safety-wise, the reserve is fully fenced and gated, and the local farm dog Lucky keeps an eye out. If camping isn't your thing, there are units for hire and fully equipped safari tents. Onverwags Caravan Park is perfect for families, with activities and facilities that will appeal to all ages. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in a campsite sometime.